You too can make this kind of firecracker or rocket trap. Watch the video till the end to see how you can video till the end to see how you can make it beautiful. It is very simple. It is very simple to do as shown in this video. Very quick attach another glue gun attach. Make piece like this from other stick, figures or matches. It is very simple. Let me know in the comments what you think of this video and what your hometown is. Watch the video till the end. Please comment and let me know if this video is right for you. May God bless and protect you.